Alrighty, welcome to another episode of Fat Boy's Garden. This is TJ, and today is about to be Christmas in August. If you look, the actual date that I should have harvested these potatoes was May 29th, but they kept turning green. The greenery never did die. So I finally decided it's finally dead. So we're going to go ahead on and we're going to harvest these potatoes. And I'm hoping, because of some of the things that I did this year, I'm hoping that I actually get a harvest from them. So we're going to see, because it's been almost 2 months ago now that I should have gotten them harvested. And today is August the 1st, so I'm just now getting it done. So I guess I'm about 2 months late. But let's see if it hurt anything by me being 2 months late. Let's see what we're going to get out of here. Yeah. Let's see here. It's not looking too good right now. Alrighty. Well, I got lots of worms, which is a good thing since I'm going fishing in a couple of days. Oh wow, look here. Man, we might have some potatoes finally. Oh wow. Oh wow. Looks like I'm getting some potatoes. Oh wow. Yeah, that's a rock. We don't need any rocks. Come on, man, I know there's got to be some more in here. There's one. Right here's another one. There's another one. Well, I'm going to tell you, I'm already happy. Because I only planted 3 seed potatoes. And I've got more than 3 this time. I did it a little bit differently this time. Last time, I was just doing it wrong. And I realized that I was doing it wrong. And didn't get much of a harvest. Well, let's just go over here and get something to dig with. And let's see what else we can find. Wow. Yes, I am already happy about my results. Here's another little one. Know what that is. Whoop. Here's a couple more. Looks like we might be having potatoes for dinner. I think that's all. If I don't get any more, I would absolutely say that I am happy with what I have gotten. Because this is far more than what I got last year. And if I did not get any potatoes this year, I was going to be done trying to plant potatoes. Another tiny one. Whew. Alright, looks like that is it. Yep, that is all of them. And I am just absolutely proud of what I got. So I've gotten out of 3 seed potatoes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 potatoes out of my 1 seed potato. It ain't that, the potatoes aren't that big, but then again, I didn't have a big pot to put a big container to put them in. But I'm happy with what I got. So for me, that makes for a good day. Thank you for watching. Next one we'll have is where I dump out, I think I have some red skinned potatoes. We're gonna see how that works out. See you next time.